Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make rice in the oven. Now you can make yellow rice, white rice, brown rice, it doesn't matter. Now what you will need for this is to follow the directions of measurements of water. You're going to use that same amount of water, but you're going to boil that water. But as you can see here, I'm adding me some butter in mine. I put salt in there before this, but you know you can season to your taste. Now you have to put boiling hot water in there. So when you put the boiling hot water in there, you want to give this a good stir. So before you put it in the oven, you're going to give it a good stir. So you're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes with a lid on there. So you go ahead and stir it up just like this. Then you put your lid on there. Make sure your lid is shut tight. You want to make sure it's shut tight before you put it in the oven for 40 minutes. And then your rice will come out looking like this. This is a game changer, especially for people that's in catering. Baby, when you make these large pans of rice, look at this. Now you can fluff it out. It came out to perfection, just like rice in a rice cooker. Thank you for tuning in my channel. Make sure you give me a likes and thumbs up and share this video. And if you guys any tricks and techniques on how to make rice the easy way, let me know.